శ్రీ వెంకటేశ
గోవింద
శ్రీ శ్రీనివాస
గోవింద
ఆపద్బాంధవ
గోవింద
అనాథ రక్షక
గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద సంకటహరణ గోవింద
లోకపాలక
గోవింద
మురళీలోల
గోవింద
సప్తాద్రివాస
గోవింద
సౌమ్య స్వరూప
గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద సంకటహరణ
Tarigidadum, tarigidum, tajanuta. Tarigidadum, tarigidum, tajanuta. Tarigidadum, tarigidum, tajanuta.
Hi and welcome to the Icon of the Month special. We're over here in a beautiful art gallery called The Forum. We're sitting at the side of a living legend, a man that has seen and done more for Carnatic music than most people that I know. I got a phone call from a friend of mine from the US who studied Carnatic music for 8 years, who absolutely started screaming the moment I mentioned his name, Dr. Bala Murali Krishna. Welcome to the show, sir. So I'm going to see if I can try and break down this vast person that is you into like a little few pieces so that everyone at home can like get a true glimpse of the man that you are. Let's start off with where you were born and the school that you went to.
It was, I was born in 1930 in a small village in Andhra Pradesh. And because my parents, both mother and father, were musicians. My mother was a veena player, father was vocal, veena, violin and flute. So naturally I got the music in my blood. And then unfortunately my mother passed away on the 15th day of my birth. So my father completely concentrated on my music and my bringing into music line. So since in my very childhood, I started singing, and although there were no so much facilities in those days to become very popular, but still I became popular in my hometown. And I used to sing. People used to come and listen to me, to my house, and So people came to know about my music, and then so I gave my Guruji was one Parupalli Ramakrishna Panturu. He is the fifth descendant of Tyagaraja's disciples. So, and I can say that I learned from my father himself. Then I joined my Guruji, and I learned so much from him. I was going on learning as long as he was alive. And then regarding your second question about my school studies, I am not ashamed to say that I went to school in my life only for 3 months, and those 3 months is neither I got any knowledge and nor any of my students. Other class students also they forgot their studies and they go out listening to my music. so the school authorities felt that I'm spoiling the school. So so advising my father, don't bother about the study. He has no mind to study it. Let him sing. Whenever he wants to study, let him study. We leave it to him. Don't burden him. That's what I said. Then, that's all my school education. I don't have any first standard certificate.
pamari sa pa pa sa ni pa pa re ni sa ni sa jaya sa mulu na jivamu re pamari sa pa pa sa ni pa pa re ni sa ni sa jaya sa mulu na jivamu sa ga ma pa ma ma re ga ma re ga ni pa pa sa ni sa pa sa re sa re mu lu na jiva mu ga ma pa ma re ga ma re ga ni pa pa sa ni sa pa sa re mu lu na jiva mu Mama pa 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 ga ga ni ni ga sa ni pa pa ga ma ma ni ga sa ya sa ya mu lu na jiva mu ma pa 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 ga ga ni ni ga sa ni pa pa ga ma ma ni ga sa ya mu lu jiva mu pa pa ma ni ni pa ma sa sa ni pa ni ni sa ni ma ma ni sa ni pa pa ni sa pa pa ma ni ni pa ma sa sa ni pa ni ni sa ni ma ma ni sa ni pa pa ni sa mu lu na jiva mu sa.
You were telling me when we were talking downstairs that you've been performing for 65 years.
Yes.
And this started since you were a child. Now, what was it like for the first time when you actually went on a live performance in front of all those people?
Yes. So, luckily, see, when I gave my first concert at the age of 9, during a festival conducted by my Guruji, he used to conduct my Guruji's Guru's birthday celebrations, where he will give opportunity for all his students to sing before public. It is also a sort of teaching music. I mean, teaching how to perform the public. Therefore, they will be used to sing for public, then they can give programs, I mean, outside too. But for me, what happened, see, I was a small boy. I didn't know what is great, what is not, what is mistake, what is right. And so I never had any fear singing before audience. Because I just sing, that's all. I don't bother about what people say about it. And I was happy that many people attended my concert, they listened, and invitations started pouring for my programs. So the fear of singing in the public or any doubt about my singing never happened in my life.
Okay.
So naturally, I have to improve the art because of when I'm coming up. Many people from various parts of the country, when they come, so automatically I have ideas, and whatever ideas I get, I've been able to, perform without any this thing. So I never had any fear or any, sort of, what do you call, sentiments. There's nothing there like that in my life.
Ni soga sudura taramani soga sudura taramani soga sudura taramani soga sudura taramani soga soga sudura taramani soga sudura taramani soga sudura taramani niga niga manu suka pola yuga ಮೂಚೆ ಮೆರೆಯು ಮೋಮು ಸೊಗಸು ಮೂಡೆ. ನಿಗ ನಿಗಮನು ಸುಖ ಪೋಲ ಯುಗ ಮೂಚೆ ಮೆರೆಯು ಮೋಮು ಸೊಗಸು చూడ తరమాని సొగసు చూడ తరమాని. చిరునవ్వులు ముంగురులు చిరునవ్వులు ముంగురులు మరి కన్నుల తేట. 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 చిరునవ్వులు మరి కన్నుల తేట. చిరునవ్వులు ముంగురులు మరి కన్నుల. వరత్యాగరాజ వందనీయ ఇరువంతి సొగసు చూడతరమాని సొగసు చూడతరమాని సొగసు
I was reading the book, the 75 a tribute to you. It was a book. And on the first line of the book, there was a person that said, it is rare in the history of India that we will ever have another Dr. Balamurali Krishna. Now, when you read words like this, that's written, true, they're all true. What goes through your mind?
No, I don't. I just feel that probably they are right. But I don't feel that I am so great and I know everything, because it's not that I am singing. It's not that whatever I want to do, I can't do. In fact, nobody can do what they want. It happens. So when another peculiar something in my life is that I don't have ups and downs in life. Only ups, no down at all. Every day I want to give something new. Every day I want to improve. And every time, every concert is something special, something new. Therefore, I am used to that. Therefore, for all these things, I don't feel the responsibility that I am great, I know it. No, it's coming. It's happening. Why it's happening, we don't know. What happens tomorrow, what happens next moment, we don't know. Just like that, what is all coming to me, what's all I am doing, I don't think. If something happened, why, I don't know. There is no point in thinking why and how.
Yeah.
It's happening to me. So I am an instrument. You see, somebody plays a violin excellently well. So the violin is not responsible, but violin gets name, fame, because somebody plays well. Like that, I am an instrument. The music is, I am an instrument for music. I play instruments also. I play violin, viola, mridangam and all that. Therefore, all these things, I am an instrument. Good. The music is utilizing me as an instrument. Music is, I am fortunate. I am in the hands of music.
Okay, so one question I'd like to ask you: where do you get all your energy from?
Energy, my energy is my music. My music.
So is that what happens continuously? There's music playing.
Always music is there in me, not only when I sing for others. I mean, I don't sing in the house. I never practice. I don't think of music also because there's no need to think. See, we are, the day is there. We don't think of the day, we don't think of the sun, we don't think of the light. Like that, it is one with me, music is one with me. Music is always there for me. So that is my energy. And see, singing also is good for health. A good music, good singing, it's good for health. When any flaws, any mistakes may interfere with good health. Therefore, I believe that good music, always music flows in my blood. Everything I look at musically, not any way. So that is my energy.
One more question I'd like to ask you is, from then to now, we were having this conversation again downstairs, and I asked you, like, which do you prefer, singing back in the times when there were no microphones and everything, or singing now? Which actually do you prefer?
No, it's not a question of my preference. It happens because when I started giving concerts at the time when there was no current, there were no microphones, there were no comforts, only pendal, sometimes open air theatre. Thousands of people sit on the floor, on the ground somewhere, and it's open. So I have to sing for 3,000 to 4,000 people without mic. So I have to mold my voice according to that level. So I have to sing harsh and with big sound. It may be a little strenuous, but still I have to do it. Gradually now we are used to so much. I just hum. It's heard. Whatever I think, it's heard. And also we don't look strenuous at all. We are very happy, singing, smile, singing. And now now that's what I'm doing now. I'm speaking very low, slowly. And it's heard. It's nice.
You're a very experimental man also. You got into the film
Yes.
line for a little bit. Let's hear a little
Yes,
bit.
I did music for films, and I sang for films, playback singing, so many languages, and I got the best playback singer national award, and I also got best music director of movies national award, and best of classical music, of course. All the three for a single person. Probably I don't know anybody is there.
Yeah, I don't think so. Too.
So, and I have acted too, but although I didn't get any award, I have acted in movies. And main roles I have taken, sometimes I casually appear and go like that. I acted. So all these things I did because I want to experience, experiment. I want to experience what is there, what is there.
So what was the experience like?
I mean, when singing films playback, I got some knowledge of voice modulation and sing for the situation correctly and the pronunciation of words, knowing the meaning, all these things. I got the knowledge when I sang in the films. So that is more useful for me in my classical music rendering for also. And because naturally we ignore certain things, we don't give preference because we don't think of it. But these things, suppose acting also. When I acted in movies, I know how to act generally, that's also. And directing music, because I was in All India Radio. I worked in All India Radio. I was the first producer in All India Radio in India. So I was a composer. I have got the top ranks in vocal, classical, vocal, light music, violin, viola, composer, conductor, director. So all this experience, because I work in All India Radio, I have introduced to so many things in All India Radio. I did good service probably in All India Radio. And so that service to All India Radio also, in those days, service to All India Radio was it's a pleasure. I mean, I used to feel when I go to office, I feel I am going to a temple, not the office. We never worked for salary or somebody's satisfaction. We are free to do our work. So I did a lot. In fact, I was the first I have created light music units in all Delhi. I was the light music first producer to be appointed by the government of India. So my concerts, if suppose I did something new, I had the opportunity to give to the public through radio. That helped me a lot. So these are all my experiences for the new creations. And now, of course, I am not in any job, but now
Music.
I want to reduce my stride and giving number of concerts, tours and all this. I want to now teach more, because all these things, people should know what I have done, my compositions. And so I want to teach more than my singing. That is what's happening.
Sakala Saubhagyamu Sangeetalaya Jnanamu 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 Sangeetalaya Jnanamu Sakala Saubhagyamu 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 Sangeetalaya Jnanamu.
We were talking about your film career and the experience that you've learned. I have one question to ask you. It may seem a bit unorthodox, but it's something that I'm very curious to know. I mean, you're a living legend, and you have crossed. Like I said, you're a pioneer and everything. You got into films, you sang, you composed. Why not make the transition into complete films and become a music director or a composer?
That is, I mean, because all the film music direction or singing is only just I want to taste and experience. I don't want to stay there, because the word classical means that lives forever. It will never fade out. But other things like films, suppose I am only a great music director. Some other music director comes, we are faded out.
Yeah.
Like that, a great playback singer, another playback singer, fade out, even actor level. So I don't want to be in a line where there is something like fading out. No, but classical music even though there may be there will be greater musicians, greater artists than me, but still the respect and seniority what I have will remain forever.
ఓ రామని నామరుచిరా కరిరాజ ప్రహ్లాద ధరణిజ విభీషణుల గాచిన నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా కరిరాజ ప్రహ్లాద ధరణిజ విభీషణుల గాచిన నీ నామమేమి రుచి కరిరాజ ప్రహ్లాద ధరణిజ విభీషణుల గాచిన నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా కదలి ఖర్జూరాది ఫలమూల కదికము కదలి ఖర్జూరాది ఫలమూల కదికము పతిత పావన నామమేమి రుచిరా పతిత పావన నామమెంత రుచిరా శ్రీరామని నామమేమి రుచిరా ఓ రామని నామం అంజనాతనయ కృత్రంజదలమునందు రంజిల్లు నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా అంజనాతనయ కృత్రంజదలమునందు రంజిల్లు నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా సదాశివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించిరి సదాశివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించిరి సదానంద నామమేమి రుచిరా సదానంద నామమెంత రుచిరా శ్రీరామని నామమేమి రుచిరా ఓ రామని నామమెంత రుచిరా తుంబురు నారదులు డంబు మీరగ గానంబు చేసిడి నామమేమి రుచిరా ఎంత రుచిరా తుంబురు నారదులు డంబు మీరగ గానంబు చేసిడి నామమేమి రుచిరా అనయ భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని అనయ భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని ఏలిన నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా ఏలిన నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా.
And more important thing is that we have lost so much about our yesteryear's great personalities. So we don't have their voice. We don't know their movements. We don't know how they speak. Therefore, now because of the technology, it is very necessary that my creations, my compositions, my voice, my movements should be recorded,
Immortalized.
for the posterity. So luckily I have one Dr. Saraswati, she has established a sort of trust. So the aim of the trust is that to all my compositions, my works should be recorded, printed, bring out in book form, and also cassettes or DVDs, and preserve in the library. Let the entire world know about it.
తరిగిడదం తరిగిడదం తజనుత తరిగిడదం తరిగిడదం తజనుత తరిగిడదం తరిగిడదం తజనుత తరిగిడ 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 dintum. ವದನಮದೆ ವಿರಿಸನೆ ವದನಮದೆ ವಿರಿಸನೆ ಅದರಮದೆ ಮುರಿಸನೆ ವದನಮದೆ ವಿರಿಸನೆ ಅದರಮದೆ ಮುರಿಸನೆ ಮಧುರಗಾನಂಬದೆ ನಾ ಮುರಳಿ ಮನೋಹರುಡದೆ ವದನ ಮದೆ ಉರಿಸಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮದೆ ಮುರಿಸಿದೆ ವದನ ಮದೆ ವಿರಿಸಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮದೆ ಮುರಿಸಿದೆ ಮಧುರಗಾನಂಬದೆ ನಾ ಮುರಳಿ ಮನೋಹರುಡದೆ ಮದನ ಕದನ ಕುತೂಹಲುಡು ರಮ್ಮನೆ ಮದನ ಕದನ ಕುತೂಹಲುಡು ರಮ್ಮನೆ ಮದನ ಕದನ ಕುತೂಹಲುಡು ರಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿರಾನ ಬಿರಾನ ಬಿರಾನದಾವೆ ನದಿಗಿಟು ತರಿಗಿಡದು ತರಿಗಿಡದು ತದೇನುತ್ತ തരികിടതും തരികിടതും തരേണുത്ത തത്തരികിടതകിടകിട തറാമുദികിടകിട തകിടകിട തറാമുദും ദിദിട്ടു ദിട്ടു തിലാന ദിതിലാന ദിതിലാന തിലാന തിലാന ദിതിലാന ദിതിലാന തരികിടതകിട കവത
How about fusion music? The combination of modern and classical, jazz and classical.
There's nothing wrong. See, what I think every music is classical if it stands the test of the time.
Okay.
Even the so-called classical music, if somebody is music, somebody will not stand means he is not singing classical music. So these are all experiments. There is even jazz, whatever whatever Western music and instrumental orchestration of music, they are all part of our music only. There is nothing wrong in experimenting. Even fusion music also, for some time it looks confusion, but afterwards it becomes a classical if it becomes popular. I don't discourage any experiments. Let anybody do any experiment. Sometimes you may get better results. Who knows? So I always encourage them. In fact, I have also participated in some fusion music. I sang with a fusion artist in London and somewhere in India too. But I am not called much. Otherwise, I would like to participate.
Narayanate Namo Namo Narayanate Namo Namo Narada Sunuta Namo Namo Narayanate Namo Namo Bhavanarada Sunuta Namo Namo Narayanate Namo Namo నగధర ముకుంద మాధవ మురగర మురగర నగధర ముకుంద మాధవ మురగర నగధర మురగర నగధర ముకుంద మాధవ మురగర నగధర మురగర నగధర ముకుంద మాధవ మురగర నగధర ముకుంద మాధవ గరుడ గమన పంకజ నామ మురగర ముకుంద గరుడ గమన పంకజ నామ పరమ పురుష భవభంజనతే నమో నమో నమో
Could you sing a little bit for me?
संगीत में वर सुखदाई. It's my own composition. I explain about music. What music gives. संगीत में वर सुखदाई सरिगम पदनी सुस्वर संगीत में वर सुखदाई सरिगम पदनी सुस्वर संगीत में मंगलदाई मनसुकु हाई मंजुळ नवमोहन मुरली संगीत में रागमुलो అనురాగము తాళములో వరదానము రాగములో అనురాగము తాళములో వరదానము త్యాగరాజాది గాన భారతులు వాగధిపతి సన్నిధి పొందిన సంగీతమే వరసుఖదాయి మంజుళ మురళీ సంగీతమే వరసుఖదాయి సరిగమ పదని సుస్వర సంగీతమే వరసుఖదాయి.
Whoa! I have like goose flesh and all happening all over. You are awesome. You're beyond awesome. You're beautiful. Misal, thank you so much, sir, for being on the show. You are a legend, and we all love you.
I'm happy to participate.
Nadir